I'm going to show you how to attach a keyring to our Amigurumi project. This is the type of keyring we are going to attach to this type of little dolls. How are we going to do this? Now remember, when I made this kind of Amigurumi projects, I used for this wool actually I used 2.75 or 2.5 millimeter hook, but to attach this keyring I am going to use a 1.75 millimeter hook for this. So what we usually do is when we make a project like this Amigurumi doll, we leave a long tail at the end. If you want to make something with it, you usually leave a long tail at the end. So I'll have this long tail here, and I'm just going to insert my hook here and pull this tail from here in order to make a loop again. See, I made a loop again, and I'm going to make a few chains. I made 8 chains here, okay, and 8 chains are easy, I mean enough to replace a jump ring kind of thing. So 8 chains are enough. So here our keyring will be. So after making 8 chains, I'm going to make 5 or 7 extra chains. I made 7 extra chains after making 8 chains. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my hook, hold this. Remember, if you pull this here, it will just unwind, so you have to be careful to not pull on this. And I'm going to take my ring here and pull out the chain. See? And I'm going to insert my hook again so that this ring kind of hangs here. And do you remember how many chains we did extra after the length we needed? We made 7 more chains. So I'm going to attach this again with a slip stitch after the 7th chain. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to attach this on the 8th chain from my hook with a slip knot, simple slip knot. See, it's attached, and we're going to keep attaching with slip knot until the end. This is the last one. Slip knot attach is done. Now you can see how this has turned a very strong and enough for your keyring. Now after you have attached the last slip knot, we are going to insert and pull up the last slip knot from the body of the amigurumi. Okay, just be careful with this. Here is the yarn and we're going to pull it through here, and we are going to make a very small knot like this. Once we have done this, we will pull it very tight so that it doesn't come out. And then what we're going to need is, usually people use this metal tapestry needle, but I don't have a metal tapestry needle, so I'm using this plastic tapestry needle, which is like this. I'm going to and insert here and somewhere in the back. Okay, somewhere in the back, and then I'm going to this again. I'm using here because I've already made a small mistake of now it's done, and just pull it like this so that it's all here and strong here, and then we can just cut the yarn and push it a little bit inside. Nobody's gonna know. See, here is your keychain for this. This is the dolphin keychain.